problem. Start right up. Let's get inside this thing, all right? It's like another world. It's like another planet in this car. I like it, but it's different. Okay. First of all, you got to get out the Liverachis, all right? That's the first thing. Check yourself up. Make sure you're in the right mode to be in this car, all right? Got it. Next. Okay, adjust your mirrors. Very cool things about this car. Very dim on the dash. It's not cool, but focusing. There you go. I could select here between oil pressure and oil temp. Not to be confused with water temp. You can see how that might be a problem for some people to get confused. Switch back. This one we can go between coolant temp and voltage. And then you got your tach. And then you got your speedometer. Alright. Let's go back to temperature. I've been at 180 to 190, and it's going back and forth between that. So that tells me the cooling fan, primary, which kicked on about 145, is cooling the car off. I think at 195, maybe the other fan's supposed to kick on. I don't know. I've seen the car go upwards of 200 back home, but maybe that was because it was running from 195 on the secondary fan. I'm not sure. If I give it some RPMs here, 2,500 RPMs, it's cooling down because of the circulation of the water pump. Seems like that zapped right down, or maybe the thermostat opened. I don't know. It's very hard to understand what's going on. And remember that wherever this gauge is located, that's where it's taking the temperature. So if it's on the head, it's got to be in the right spot. Check engine, service engine soon. This is for your addiction, whether it's a drink or smoke. It's all in this container here. You just close that up. These are the toggles for the power seats. This is the adjustment for the mirrors. Keep it in the middle. Power windows. I don't know if this is an airbag. Like, what is this? Or this? I think it's just a pad. I think this is just a crash pad in this car. This is your wipers. Look at this. Oh, I got the squeaks. They figure, why not put more stuff on your door that you need to deal with when you take it off? That's crazy. Cannot get the interior lights, the dome lights work. Back. Nothing there. But I can't get the screen up here brighter. Headlights flip up and down. Cruise control, steering wheel. I mean, this thing, you know, if it goes as fast as the temperature says, I don't know. It says it can go up to 85 miles an hour. That's as fast as we're going to go in this car. A recommended speed. Does the digital thing change at some point when you get to 100? Does it go to like from 85 to 95 to 200? I seen a guy back in the day wreck. All right, let's see what we got here. We got max. Let's see, tunage here. Oh, can't put in auto reverse. Push it in. Can't put it in. Put the radio on. Power antenna going up. Wow, look at that. Power antenna. We're on dim mode. Power on. Up and down. I got nothing here. See, like, it's something up with the brightness control on this. having good luck with tape decks today. It's rewinding. Woo, woo, woo. All right. That's fine. Eject. Search. Nope. Shoot it out. How do you hit play on this thing? Does anybody know? Put it in. Right. Play a song. What is going on with this Smurfs, man? You guys hearing this? That's no good. What is going on with the speed? Am I at the wrong speed here? You guys got to tell me. All right, we're holding pretty good. We've been idling for a while. It's not registered. It's not insured. But I will register it, I think. I need a tire and I should register this car. Go for a ride. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. AC work? Let's see. Oh, the fan kicked on. Oh, the dust! No! Jeez, man. AC's blowing cold, man. It's crazy. AC's blowing cold. I'm just gonna have to hook up a vacuum or something. Ugh. Oh my god. Ugh. Whew. It's in my mouth. I think I'm pretty content. Reverse works. Forward. Watch the walls. I just got blasted with all sorts of dust. Where's the Trans Am gonna go?